am Pamela Trapp, the Neighborhood Improvement Services Coordinator with the City of Jacksonville, and I welcome you to Country Club Villas, where we currently have 2 units for sale. Right now we're sitting in 444 Myrtlewood Circle, which is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, on the market for $68,000. And right here to my right, we have 446 Myrtlewood Circle, which is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath for $75,000. These homes have been recently renovated and they are ready for you, our newest homeowner. So let's take a look into 444 Myrtlewood Circle. You are walking into the home, notice immediately that we have laminate floors throughout the entire home. There is no carpet for the new homeowner. These are our updated laminate floors. We have brand new fixtures, new paint on the walls. Notice our ceiling fan, light, and ready for you. We have brand new windows that have been installed with molding around the window panes. And off to our right, we walk right into our kitchen and dining room. Going through, you see again new fixtures, upgraded stainless steel appliances, all new. It also comes with its own security system. Notice that we have installed with color complementary great cabinets, offset gray and white countertops. To your left off the kitchen, you will find your washer and dryer setup. As we are standing outside, notice that from the remodel, we also have a brand new HVAC system that has been installed for the new homeowner, new fence installation, covered patio, and the patio has been extended as well for your summer barbecue sessions. And your patio extends right off from the kitchen and a double access door leading from your laundry room. Walk back inside, notice again the modernized furniture and light fixtures that we have within the home. And the half bath is downstairs, right off of the kitchen. One of the greatest features that we have in 444 Myrtlewood, again, like I said, there is no carpet in this home. Look at how we have our stairs designed. From the same laminate flooring across the platforms, stained flooring leading up the steps, handrails that will lead you safely up into a 2-bedroom, 1 full bath with extra storage space. Welcome to the master bedroom of your 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Again, we have light fixtures, ceiling fans, walk-in closet, and one of the great features of the master is the built-in storage shelves that we have for you to store all the needs that you have. Comes with a tub and shower dual installation, new fixtures, light fixture, and a wonderful, gorgeous mirror, as in all restrooms. And then to your left, we move into the 2nd bedroom. And the lovely light fixture ceiling fan that we have noticed throughout the home complements in your 2nd bedroom, laminate floors, and one of the great features that we have is a massive walk-in closets with dual doors to be able to go in from one end to the next end. All right, well, this concludes our tour in 444 Myrtlewood Circle, which is 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath for $68,000. Now let's go over to 446 Myrtlewood Circle, which is our 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Come on in to 446 Myrtlewood Circle. Welcome home. We have now entered into the living room, 446 Circle. And the first thing that we'll walk into after the living room, we have storage space with our door closet. Notice that the room splits off. We have our stairwell straight ahead, but we also have a hallway that leads to two closet space. One is used for storage with the water heater, and the second one is where your air handler sits. To our right, we have new cabinet fixtures, our mirror, all new appliances and toilet fixtures. This will lead us directly into our kitchen, where we have brand new stainless steel appliances, all that come with the home, extra cabinet space, and for those holiday dinners with your family, there is ample counter space. This also leads into our dining room, and notice our lovely light fixture for the new homeowner. Off of the kitchen, we have our washer and dryer hookups. Being able to go ahead and take care of everything in this one location, and off of the room, we have access to the outside patio area. Let's take a peek. Laundry door open. Your home security is working well for you. And notice that it is a covered patio that has been extended out with a new fence installation. Not only are the appliances new, but your HVAC unit, brand new system. One of the great features, again, with the home is having the stairwell in the middle, because you can access it from the living room or access it from the dining room. No carpet in the home even leads to the stairwell, where the steps have been backsplashed with the same laminate floors, and the top of the steps have been stained. This gives you a great aesthetic view and safety features. As I head upstairs, I am coming to welcome you into the 3 bedrooms and 1 full bath that we have. A great feature that we have in this home is ample storage space. And one of the items that we do have is a pull-down attic. Be able to go up there, take care of your supplies and storage. We have 2 bedrooms to my left and 1 bedroom here to my right. Let's go into the first bedroom. We walk into one of the largest bedrooms, which are master. Huge windows, brand new light fixtures, ceiling fan. Walk-in closet with storage shelves. For the Grand family, we have 2 additional bedrooms that are waiting for you at 446 Myrtlewood Circle. We come into the first one. Notice that all bedrooms do have a ceiling and light fan fixture. We have our closet space, new windows, and the laminate floors again. And as we leave out of this room, we move into the second largest room with our actual walk-in closet. This home is just waiting on you, our new homeowner, for the 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath at $75,000 at 446 Myrtlewood Circle.